Hello, everyone. My name is Winnie. Today, I want to talk about an astronomy current event. So the project that I chose is called SOFIA. It is a very unique telescope. So for this video, I want to divide it into 4 parts. The first part is I want to identify what SOFIA is. And the second part is I want to figure out some of its key findings and accomplishments. The third part is its final flight. And the last part would be talking about its retirement. So the first part is, what is SOFIA? So the full name is Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy. And then the aircraft type is the Boeing 747 SB aircraft. The aircraft is assembled by NASA and the German Space Agency in the hope to study the solar system. The uniqueness about it is that researchers can basically observe the solar system anywhere, even without the help of telescopes. Okay. Second part is that I want to find some of its findings and accomplishments. So for the sake of time, I only included 3 major findings in this video. However, if you're still interested, you can also find the others online. So the first one is the molecular water detected on Moon. Using the combination of the faint object infrared camera for the SOFIA telescope and SOFIA itself, astronomers were able to conduct studies in hopes to find molecular water on Moon surface in 2018. They observed the wavelength, spectral resolution, and signal-to-noise ratio. And then they were able to find that water actually exist on Moon. So by looking at these photos on the right, it's frequency distribution, and then on the left, it's the wavelengths, and then photo credits to natural astronomy. So the second one is the nearby planetary system. So the star, it's called Epsilon Eridani. It is the closest planetary system to our solar system. So with the help of SOFIA, researchers have concluded that by examining the glow from the dust, the structure of the system is very, very similar to our solar system, and then photo credit to NASA. So the last finding is the oxygen detected in Earth's upper atmosphere. Heavy oxygen is considered to contain 10 neutrons rather than 8 neutrons. So 8 neutrons are usually referred to those normal or common ones. And then oxygen is more common in the lower atmosphere. However, by measuring the ratio of oxygen between the higher and lower atmosphere, SOFIA was able to make a conclusion that there are a certain degree of oxygen in living and existing in the upper atmosphere. So these are very interesting and very fascinating findings. And then there are a lot more online, but because of the time, I only included 3. So the third part is its final flight. So this picture is taken by its NASA blogs, and then it involves every journey that SOFIA has ever been to. So, and it is very fascinating of how SOFIA has been researching and helping astronomers to figure out a lot of key accomplishments. So this SOFIA project scientist also quoted that the SOFIA mission may have ended, but the future is bright. SOFIA has made numerous and significant contributions to astrophysics and will continue to do so as our scientific community finds new and creative ways to analyze SOFIA data in the archive. So although SOFIA mission had been ended, but then astronomers will continue to find new ways to implement SOFIA data. So the last part would be its retirement. So the beginning, the establishment of SOFIA we have to trace back all the way to April 1st, 2007, from the to the end date, September 30th, 2022. So it has been more than 15 years. And then thanks to SOFIA, we were able to find so many accomplishments and so many unknown things in the galaxy and universe. So the reason why I want to talk about SOFIA, not only because it is one of my favorite telescope, but also I want to know and figure out its accomplishments as it has been retired the recent year. So thank you for listening.